So, you think you know art? Maybe you can recognize the Mona Lisa, but can you tell a Van Gogh from a Vermeer? A Picasso from a Pollock? Well, today, we're going to test your artistic eye and see if you're a true masterpiece maker or just a finger painter. Here's how it works. You'll go through 3 levels of increasing difficulty. Each level has 5 questions, some about paintings, some about sculptures, and even some about insane auction prices. At the end, we'll see where you rank on the art scale of greatness. Ready? Let's see if you belong in a museum, or if your knowledge is more like an abstract mess. Level 1, Finger Painter. Let's start easy. Who sculpted David, the famous marble statue? Auguste Rodin, Donatello, Gian Lorenzo Bernini, Michelangelo. Who created this artwork? Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael, Caravaggio, Hieronymus Bosch. Which famous artwork was stolen from the Louvre in 1911, making it even more famous? Mona Lisa, The Girl with a Pearl Earring, The Night Watch, American Gothic. What movement is Claude Monet associated with? Cubism, Impressionism, Surrealism, Renaissance. Which artwork does this detail belong to? The School of Athens, The Last Supper, The Creation of Adam, The Birth of Venus. All right, that was just the warm-up. If you got most of those right, congrats. You've graduated from finger painting to actually appreciating what's on the museum walls. But now, things get trickier. We're diving deeper into art history, jaw-dropping auction prices, and the minds of some seriously eccentric artists. Welcome to Level 2, Gallery Goer, where real art lovers shine. This painting shows an elegant woman wearing pearl jewelry and a blue and yellow turban by Johannes Vermeer. The Milkmaid, portrait of Adele Bloch-Bauer first, the girl with a pearl earring, lady with an ermine. Who designed the Guggenheim Museum in New York? Frank Lloyd Wright, Le Corbusier, Zaha Hadid, and Tony Gaudí. Which famous artist cut off part of his ear? Francis Bacon, Vincent van Gogh, Paul Gauguin, Edvard Munch. What is the record auction price for a work by Pablo Picasso, Les Femmes d'Alger 2015? $179 million, $90 million, $212 million, $60 million. What was the primary medium of Frida Kahlo? Watercolor, fresco, sculpture, oil on canvas. Okay, you've made it to Gallery Goer. Impressive. You can tell Monet from Manet and maybe even guess a painting's price tag. But are you masterpiece maker material? These next questions separate the casual fans from the true art connoisseurs. Brace yourself. Level 3 starts now. Which artist painted The Basket of Apples, a still life that plays with perspective? Paul Cézanne, Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, Henri Matisse. Who sculpted this artwork? Auguste Rodin, Gian Lorenzo Bernini, Antonio Canova, Henry Moore. Which Baroque artist was known for dramatic lighting and violent religious scenes? El Greco, Diego Velázquez, Peter Paul Rubens, Caravaggio. What is the highest price ever paid for an Andy Warhol artwork? $142 million, $195 million, $250 million, $80 million. Which artwork does this detail belong to? View of Toledo. Number 5, 1948. The Night Cafe. The Starry Night. That's it. Time to count your correct answers. 0 to 5 correct answers. You're a finger painter. But hey, that's where all great artists start. Picasso's early doodles weren't masterpieces either. Keep learning, keep sketching. 6 to 10 correct answers. You're a gallery goer, you know your way around the art world, and you can probably name at least 3 famous painters. Respect. 11 plus correct answers. You're a masterpiece maker. You belong in the Louvre, or at least in the gift shop section where they sell art books. Either way, impressive work. But here's a question for you. If you could save just one artwork on Earth, which would it be? The Mona Lisa? Starry Night? The Scream? Drop your answer in the comments below. Had fun? Learned something new? Realized you'll never be able to afford a Picasso? Same here. Hit subscribe because we've got more epic quizzes coming your way, from history to space, and yes, even more art. See you in the next one.